This is the easiest and safest way to peel your ginger. It's convenient to store and use for tea making, cooking, and many more. We are using the front of the spoon to peel the ginger. Make sure you're using this type of spoon, which is the short kind. This method of peeling ginger limits wastage, and you also won't get any knife injuries. Wash all of your ginger in running water. Cut at the joint so that it's easier to peel. Grab your short spoon. We're going to use the front side to scrape the skin off our ginger. Look at how easy that is. When you're satisfied with how they look, we're going to rinse them once more and it's ready for slicing. Whether you're making tea or using the ginger for cooking, cut it into appropriate thickness.